ahead of the bill introduction in the Lok Sabha by Arjun Ram Meghwal. In fact, the Congress has even moved a motion in the Lok Sabha, in the lower house, opposing the One Nation, One Poll bill, saying that the bill is against the federal structure of the country. So the Congress calling for a meet ahead of One Nation, One Poll bill's introduction in the Lok Sabha. The Congress has even moved a motion in the Lok Sabha terming the bill as against the constitutional principles of the country. Let's go across to Riyanka again, who continues to be with us. Riyanka, that's essentially the stand that's been taken by the opposition altogether, that One Nation, One Poll bill is against the very constitution principles. If you can elaborate more on this motion that's been moved by Congress MP Manish Tiwari.
Absolutely. Well, we have in fact seen how Manish Tiwari has moved a motion and has opposed this bill clearly before it gets tabled. On the other hand, it is the Congress Lok Sabha MPs who will be coming together and holding a very, very crucial meet before the session begins for the day at 10:30 a.m. when they will all be coming together and will be deliberating on the factors as to how to corner the government regarding this bill that will be tabled. So yes, very likely there will be a showdown and a lot of chaos being created when this bill will be tabled, in fact. Now, when it comes to the motion that has been moved by Manish Tiwari, what we can say is he has made 3 points. Firstly, violation of the constitutional principles. Secondly, he goes on to say it is an impact on the basic structure of the constitution, that the Congress has been claiming time and again that this is going to hamper the federal structure of our democracy. Similar points has been raised here. And third, he also, elaborates on the fact I beg your pardon, that undermining state governments. This he clearly mentions that the introduction of the bill which seeks to align state assembly elections with the general elections poses a direct challenge to the federal structure enshrined in the constitution by centralizing electoral processes. The bill also undermines the authority of the elected state governments, weakens the grassroots of democracy and encroaches on the autonomy of local governance. So also he has said that the centre must make a reconsideration of, before tabling this bill in these regards, the 3 points that has been raised by the Congress party here before they go ahead and pass the bill or table the bill, the first step which will be done today in the Lok Sabha itself.
Riyanka, stay with us. We have more related news break coming in. After the Congress and the NC, it's Samajwadi Party that has opposed the One Nation, One Poll bill. In fact, once again, the Samajwadi Party is saying that it stands strong against in its stand on One Nation, One Poll bill. In fact, note earlier, the Samajwadi Party Supremo Akhilesh Yadav had termed One Nation, One Poll bill as nothing but quote-unquote jugaad bill of the central government.
तो बिल आएगा, वो तो आएगा ही। इसमें हमारी पार्टी तो उसका इंट्रोडक्शन का ही विरोध करेगी, क्योंकि वो संविधान की तमाम धाराओं के खिलाफ है। और वो बिल पास होने के बाद भी जो कमियां अभी हैं कि पैसा बहुत खर्च होता है, तब भी अगर विधानसभा भंग हो जाती है बीच में, अगर अविश्वास प्रस्ताव से या लोग दल बदल करके इधर उधर चले जाते हैं, तो तत्काल फिर चुनाव कीजिए, तो चुनाव तो होते ही रहेंगे इधर उधर। तो बिल आएगा, वो तो आएगा ही। इसमें हमारी पार्टी तो उसका इंट्रोडक्शन का ही विरोध करेगी, क्योंकि वो संविधान की तमाम धाराओं के खिलाफ है। और वो बिल पास होने के बाद भी जो कमियां अभी हैं कि पैसा बहुत खर्च होता है, तब भी अगर विधानसभा भंग हो जाती है बीच में, अगर अविश्वास प्रस्ताव से या लोग दल बदल करके इधर उधर चले जाते हैं, तो तत्काल फिर चुनाव कीजिए, तो चुनाव तो होते ही रहेंगे इधर उधर।